Alrighty, we're making a green machine smoothie. The ingredients we have spinach, we have blueberries, we have strawberries here. Get this out of here. We have the bananas, the organic bananas. We have pineapple. And we have ice and a little fruit juice in here, a little fruit punch juicy juice already in here waiting for us. So we're just going to throw our spinach in there first. And then what I like to do is I like to blend my spinach and my ice first and then add the other ingredients to the mix. So let's pull this closer, and it's going to get a little loud, but smoothie time. Very good, very sweet. You can taste the bananas, the pineapple. It's just a good blend, a good taste to enjoy all of these good fruits and vegetables. If you like the video, please like it, comment, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos and content. Thank you.